everyone, my name is Peter and I'm a cryptocurrency fan. We are in the city center of Kampala, Uganda, and we want to show you on how you can use cryptocurrency for payment. And right now we at Sphere. It's one of the restaurants in Kampala that accepts Dagcoin. Dagcoin, a new cryptocurrency that is built on Dagchain. And we want to show you how you can spend your Dagcoin for payment, how you can pay bills using Dagcoin. And right now we have a couple of drinks we are going to have accepting Dagcoin. So we're going to show you a video, in this short video, on how you can use Dagcoin for payment. Just follow me. Okay, and here we have the juices. We have juice from Mr. Emma at the camera. And then we have another juice for our partner Sharif. We have another juice for Mr. Solomon, who is very busy. And then I have my coffee, the African coffee. And guess what? We have this great man, the manager of this place, and he accepts Dagcoin. So, what is up? Great. And guess what? We're going to pay using Dagcoin. The guy accepts Dagcoin, as you see. It's a beautiful restaurant in Kampala. And right now I'm going to show you how you can, pay using Dagcoin, how you can spend your Dags to pay you. And here we go. Okay, let me open this is my Dag wallet. And I'm opening the Dag wallet for payment. Okay, I'm getting the wallet. Alright, I have to enter my password. Okay. And guess what? I have 148 Dagcoins to spend. And right now I'm going to scan the QR code. And this is it. Okay. And guess what? My juice costs 68 Dagcoins. And I have to enter the amount of Dagcoins. And then I have to scan the QR code. Scanning the code. As you see, I've scanned the QR code, 7C. And then I have to do the sending. Okay. Sent. I had earlier 148 Dagcoins, and right now I have the balance of 80 Dagcoins. That simply means transaction is done. Ladies and gentlemen, as we all see, like we've seen, the transaction was really successful. This is how the cryptocurrency works. The cryptocurrency is meant to be spent. It's meant to be used for payment. As we've seen, like what our juices using Dagcoins. And guess what? You can do a lot of stuff using Dagcoins. You can buy cars, you can buy a lot of things all over the world using Dagcoins. Join the team right now. We have teams all over the world. Be part of the team and be part of this cryptocurrency evolution. Be part of this, amazing technology that is coming up. Thank you. Stay blessed.